Do you love Justin Bieber? Do you love him? Do you love him? Who's your favorite singer? You love him? You love him! You love him! Sit nicely. Sit nicely. Sit nicely. Sit nicely. Go sit or Justin Bieber won't see this. He won't see how much you love him. How much do you love him? How much do you love him? What do you say? I love him. Ooh. You say Justin Bieber, I will never say never. When you smile, I smile. Hmm?